Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you in new Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 the stable Pi update has been released. As you know, in the previous beta Pi update the Google Cam was not opening. It was showing a bit of problem. It was just getting out of the app. But let me show you. I have updated in the latest Pi. This is the settings. This look like this. Fonts, about, then Android version. You can see this is updated in the latest Pi. Let me get back. Let me adjust the brightness a little bit so it is easier for you to see. So now the moment of truth. Does the Google camera work on this new Pi update? Let me see. This is my Google Cam and this is the stock camera. Previously on beta Pi update it was not running. So let me try this for now. Well, it is on and it is running. So yeah, in the latest update all the facilities we have been using in the audio in this Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 is working again. So guys, this, as you can see, the date over here is Wednesday, April 10, 2019. So it was updated 1 hour ago, and I made this video as fast as possible for you guys. So yeah, this is the new Pi update for Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1, which supports Gcam. Thank you.